Hello guys, this is Jonathan Steadman, and today guys I decided to do a tutorial on Libre Office Calc. So what I'll be doing is from going to the basics to going to the advanced, and all we're going to be doing today is creating our table, just to understand the interface and how to create a simple table within Libre Office Calc. And this is what we'll be creating. Alright, now I have opened it, right? I have to close out of that. Just don't save that. And now what we guys can do is search up for calc, and then that should open up Libre Office Calc, right? So today we're just going to be creating a simple table. Okay, so over here we can do first name. This is a cell, by the way. This is a B2, so this is a cell location. So for that one we can just do first name, and then over there we can do second name. And over here we can do age, and then we can do what OS they use. We are going to do 5 of them. Okay, so I've done that, right? Now we're going to have to add a border. So to do that, what we guys will need to do is that we're going to have to go to over here. This is how to add a border. Now you can press onto this button. Okay, so we have did that. Now I can give myself a first name. For me it's Jonathan. Now we can give myself a second name, which will be Steadman, and where we can put down your age, which will be 18, for example. What OS do they use? Linux Mint 20.2. Okay, now what we can do is do page frog. I always use page frog. Alright, she's 21. And she uses Ubuntu because she's a pro. Okay, now what we can do is do Terry Davis, and he's around 34 years old. He uses Temple OS. And now we can do Linus George. Linus Good. And then he will be around 21 years old, but guess what he uses? He uses Mac OS. I mean, there's no problem with the Mac OS, but yeah. So this is the operating systems that people are using. Okay, so to undo this, and now what we guys can do is that we can center it by using this. And now we can increase this. This is too small, but it could change to, like, for example, to 16. And I'll make it a lot more bigger. We can change all of that to 14 if we wanted to. And then that is how to make a simple table in LibreOffice Calc. We could do more customizations of it. We can make this one bold if I wanted to, like this. And then we can even underline them if we wanted to. So basically, if we want to add it, so basically that was how to make a simple table in LibreOffice Calc. In the next episode, we're going to be learning how to do functions. What I mean by that is that we're going to be learning how to add numbers together. We will learn how to subtract numbers, how to multiply, and finally, how to divide numbers. And how we normally do this is that we will just do equals to that plus that, and that should give through 36. So we're going to be using equal sign before we do the command. So guys, so in the next episode we're going to be learning how to do these 4 commands. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.